Predict the polarity of the capacitor in the situation described by figure 6.9. Right. Okay. 6.9. The ring is placed in the space between north pole of one magnet and south pole of another magnet. North pole and south pole. So the field generated by the both magnets is to the right. B bar. First thing, as both magnets approaching the ring, the flux passing through the ring to the right from left to right is increasing with respect to time. So the flux changing with respect to time according to Faraday's law of electromagnetism. The EMF should be generated across the ring. So across the ring there is a capacitor is connected. So the polarity of EMF may be A may be positive or A may be negative. That decide the sign of the polarity of EMF at A or B decided by the Lenz law. So according to Lenz law, this induced EMF produce induced current in the ring. That should be opposed opposes the flux increases from left to right. So the induced magnetic field should be, this is original magnetic field to the right, induced magnetic field should be opposite to the original magnetic field in the case of flux increasing with respect to time. Right. So first we have known the direction of induced magnetic field. This induced magnetic field is generated by the induced current in the ring. For this type of for this induced magnetic field can be induced or generated by the current which is in the clockwise direction only. When the current in the clockwise direction, induced current. This is induced current. So from the Lenz law, we decided that, or we concluded that the current is, induced current is produced in the loop in a clockwise, right? Usually the current is always opposite to the flow of electrons. So the electrons flow is opposite to current. This is electrons flow. So the plate A loses electrons, so it becomes positive. And plate B is negative because the electrons which are coming from A and deposited on or accumulated on B. So the polarity of A will be positive with respect to plate B is the capacitor. Right. This question is answered. So there is some information. Say it is a battery. Positive terminal of the battery, negative. This is a positive terminal, this is negative terminal. When a bulb or any apparatus connected to the external terminals of the battery, the current flows from positive to negative. But here the current flows from negative to positive. That means when current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal in external circuit, whereas inside the current inside battery, the current flows from negative to positive. That means this ring acts as a battery. This circuit is inside the, it's similar to this loop is works as a battery. This is this current flow very similar to current flow inside the battery, and the capacitor plates used as a terminals of the battery. Thank you.